As I always say, there was a time when I was kind of dreaming to study in college. And fast forward 4 years, I'm done with my college. College is more than just a chapter of our lives. It's a vivid tapestry of our experiences, friendships, lessons. It shapes who we become. As the days blur into weeks and years, we often forget that this journey changed you as a person. Friends, girls, exams, drugs, and alcohol. I'm kidding. You came up with different people, know how they think, you learn from them, make memories, study late night before the exam. College is where it all started. In this video, I'll share some few life lessons throughout my college life that made me who I am today. Tip number 1, learn a skill and build in public. College is a perfect time to explore new skills, whether it's learning to play an instrument, picking up a new language, or diving into a field you are curious about. Don't just learn in isolation. Share your journey with others through social media. Document your learning process, letting people see your progress while learning that subject or that skill. Letting people see your progress helps you stay motivated and connect with people who have similar interests with you. It also teaches you how to deal with criticism and encourage you to keep improving. Number 2, networking. Make good friends and talk to people. Building a strong network is the most important and valuable thing you can do in your college. It's not about making friends, it's about connecting with people who can help you grow both personally and professionally. Attend events and join clubs and participate in group projects to meet diverse range of people. This connection leads to job opportunities and lifelong friendships. Remember, it's just not about what you know, but who you know can be a big difference in your future. Number 3, budgeting, living on a dime. Managing your finances is a skill that will serve you throughout your life. In college, it is easy to overspend on things like eating out, social activities, or impulse purchases. Start by creating a budget to track your income and expenses and stick by it. Use money expense tracker apps, or you can document your expenses in Notion. I will attach my free Notion money expense tracker template. You will get that template in the description. Look for ways to save money, such as cooking at home, using student discounts. Use app like Splitwise to organize your money with your friends, where you will be lending or sharing your money. Learning to say no. In college, you will be faced with countless opportunities, from partying to extracurricular activities, all vying for your time and energy. It's equally important to know your limits. Learning to say no when you are overwhelmed or when something not aligned with your goals is crucial. It's about prioritizing your well-being, making sure you have enough time to focus on what really matters. Tip number 5 is ask for help. बहुत लोग रहते हैं that they don't ask for help. वो सोचते हैं कि हम किसी को हेल्प के लिए मांग ही नहीं सकते. College can be challenging, and there will be time when you will be feeling stuck. Whether you will be feeling stuck in coursework or your study work, or dealing with any personal issue, or just feeling lost, don't hesitate to ask for help. Reach out to professors, counselors, or even friends when you need support. Asking for help is a sign of self-awareness and strength, not weakness. It shows that you are taking and willing to do something that need to be done to be succeeded. Remember, everyone needs help sometimes, and there is no shame in seeking it out. Tip number 6, don't backstab about anyone. It's very, very important. In college, it's easy to get caught up in gossip or negative talks, especially in the close-knit college groups. However, talking badly about others, whether it's behind their back or in a group setting, can create a toxic environment and damage relationships. It's important to maintain integrity and respect others, even if you don't agree with them. Focus on positive communication and resolving conflicts directly, rather than spreading rumors and negativity. Tip number 7, failure is an inevitable part of your life, especially in your college, where you are constantly pushing yourself to learn and grow. There might be chances in college where you won't be picked or selected. You may feel disheartened and upset. It's important to know that failure is not the end. It's just a step on the path to success. When things don't go as planned, just take some time, see what didn't work, and embrace it. Use that knowledge to improve and try again. The resilience you build by overcoming the setbacks in your life will be one of your greatest strengths in your life. Avoid negative influences. Throughout college, you might be encountering people who may not have your best interest at heart. Some may try to bring you down, distract you from your goals, or negatively influence your decisions. It's important to recognize those individuals and understand that not everyone deserves your time and energy. Surround yourself with people who uplift you and inspire you. Don't be afraid to distance yourself from those people who don't. Letting go of toxic relationships is a healthy choice that allows you to focus on your growth and well-being. Remember, it's okay to prioritize your happiness and your peace of mind. That's it for this video. I hope you get some value. I'll meet you guys in the next video. Until then, share this video with your friends. Keep smiling, keep shining.